Alright, good morning everybody, welcome back to HBI Auto. We are starting this video off in the 2019 Panamera base. You don't really want to spend money on the 911, but you still want to enjoy a Porsche. The Panamera, I feel like, is a solution here. You got tons of storage in the back. You can see that there's tons of room in here. I got the 4 seats all around. Dual sunroofs, which is really nice. This is a 3-liter V6 engine producing around I think it's like mid 300s. So it's not the fastest thing in the world, but this is definitely a daily car that is meant to be driven. And this one right here is a perfect example. It's got a really nice gray exterior. It's got a full black interior with piano black, haptic touch. And I really appreciate this Panamera for what it is. And that is a good daily car, not too crazy with power, comfortable enough for everyone to enjoy, and just a nice cruiser. That's all we need in life, is a really nice just cruising car. So the Panamera does come in rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. This one is the all-wheel drive version. You got an 8-speed automatic transmission, very smooth shifting, very nice just driving. And I feel very comfortable in these seats. I feel relaxed, I feel at ease. These are heated and cooled seats. But let's go ahead and dive into this one a little bit more. I want to show you the interior and the exterior. It is a volcano gray. I just remembered now. It's like a volcanic gray. I believe that's what the name was. I can't remember too much. I haven't had my second cup of coffee, if I'm being completely honest. So this is the inside of this 2019 Panamera base model. It's a full black interior. You can see there's tons of really nice upgrades to this in this generation. I really like how they replace all of this pretty much with the haptic touch, like you'll see in the Cayennes and the Macans these days. Really nice. It's just easier, it's cleaner, and it's just a lot classier in my opinion. The car does have 51,000 miles on it. Anyways, full black interior, all black leather. You have the piano black on the side. You can even like kind of see your reflection in there a little bit. But yeah, full black. I really like it. It's just very clean and simple in here. The seats are very comfortable. They are very sporty looking. Really just a nice interior. And I've always appreciated Panameras because they present just a really smooth, luxurious ride, casual drive. You can put guests back there. You can kind of drive them around. Getting a quick inside look right now. Again, just a full black interior, very clean and easy to work with, easy on the eyes. So this is the exterior of this 29. You've got 21-inch wheels in the front, wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires, and in the back you also have 21s back there as well, again with the Pirelli P0 tires. Very good tires. Definitely a more active kind of driver. You have a really nice full brake light right there, which I love that Porsche has done this through all of their cars. It's just the whole strip is a brake light. I really like it. I don't know, just a little design thing that I really like. So with the touch of the key fob, you do have a really nice trunk space back here with the ability to put those 2 seats down. You do have a privacy screen right there, so you can kind of hide like your groceries, anything you put back here. But overall, really nice trunk space. It is automatic, which we all love. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Again, this one has 51,000 miles on it. It's a 2019. It is a Panamera base model, but it is a really clean ride. This one has been really well maintained. The piano black looks good. The interior is nice, and it's just ready for a daily life again. But if you're interested in this one, I left the link in the description below. You can check out more photos, get in contact with the team about picking up this Panamera. Highly recommend you check them out, especially if you're looking for a daily car that's 4-door, has good storage space, has good capability for a weekend cruiser, family hauler, whatever you want to use this car for, you can use it and enjoy it. And you enjoy that Porsche feel without having to pay, like a price for a 911 or like a really specced out Macan or Cayenne, whatever you may be. Panamera is a really nice middle ground, and I've always appreciated them from afar, and I'm really starting to love them more. But go ahead and check it out in the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.